I'll teach you everything you need to know about enums in 5 minutes. We went over how to change basic properties and even some fancier ones like the color you see right here, but some of them are a little bit weirder than that. Let's say we want to change the part's material. To do this, we're going to have to use something called enum. And when I was first learning, I was very scared of enums, but now I realize they're like actually super easy. Like I'm not just saying that, they really are. To change the property, hopefully by now you know to access the part, we can just write part since we assigned it and dot material since that's the property we want to change. And there isn't really like a material dot new that you can make. There isn't exactly anything like that. But to access the materials, we can just write enum dot material to access the list of values. So we write enum, and then what kind of enum are we trying to access? A material. We said we want to change the material here. We're going to pick a material. And then you press dot, and again, like with the color, you can see all the different options. Let's choose air. What is air? Oh, only it applies to terrain only. Let's pick something like brick or wood. Let's pick something like wood. Then we change the transparency to 0 and change it now. Now you see it has that wood texture material. That wood material. Looks nice. So whenever you have to deal with an enum, you always write enum and then the property you want to change, in this case material, and then the value you want to set it to. It's that easy. Enum, what you're changing it to. A simple way to do this is if you simply just write a string of the material that you want to change it to. And this does the same thing. You see? But it doesn't give you the little drop down menu. And I also wanted to show you how to do it in case you're forced to use an enum, because sometimes you have to use an enum, but they're really simple. Always when you're setting it, it's write an enum and then whatever property you would like to change, and then a dot, and then you write the value. That's how you do it. So both of these methods work the same way. I just want to show you how enums work, and also that method lets you see the drop down menu for the materials too. If you write a string, you just have to know the material you want.